Hello Rimfire friends, I'm in the shop today and I wanted to quickly do a comparison video. I've received a couple of questions about my Brno stock mod and the crazy flat top that I have here. And so a couple of subscribers that I have actually posed the question to me, isn't this flat top kind of strange, and how does it work? Doesn't it seem a little bit excessive? So I thought I would post this up real quick with the manners on my 455 and show you guys kind of what I'm dealing with. So you can see we're short of, at the widest point, a little bit shorter than 1.5 inches, or sorry, width-wise, a little bit wider on the manners. The manners is fully ambi, so it goes both sides exactly the same, while the Brno is tapered a little bit. It's actually tapered a little bit more on the right side, and that is due to being a right-handed shooter. And just as a comparison, this is the factory piece. Sorry for the burn marks and the inletting. That was from my original adaptation, but I actually use it excuse me, as a pattern, and so the sculpture is about the same. It is a little bit more flat, but I chose that for personal comfort. And so you definitely have a little bit more of a flat profile at the rear, and that's due to the butt plate I'll be adding. But the actual point where your cheek rests is quite contoured, and much more so than the manners. So I apologize for not filming that from a top view in the first place, but as you can see where your cheek actually rests, which is in this portion here, it's quite contoured, very similar to the manners. The manners is very like cookie cutter. It's very simple, whereas this one I had the opportunity to kind of mold it as I went, and you can see there's a slight bias to the right side compared to the left, just being my type of shooter. And then at the back you can see that it's square, and it's about the same width as this, only this has this tapered portion, but because your cheek doesn't sit here, I didn't bother to do that. But you can see width-wise they're essentially identical from the top portion at the rear. And then when it gets to the cheek portion where it matters, it's more sculptured than the actual manners. And let me tell you, the manners is phenomenal. Like, I can use it with my chubby face, and my 15-year-old son can use it. It's just probably the best stock design of all time. But anyway, that's it there. That's what it kind of looks like. So you guys can kind of see. But anyway, just a quick update on the two different stocks that are kind of the same in some ways. I want to thank you guys for watching. Any questions or comments, leave them below, and I'll do my best to answer them. If not, I'll catch you at the next one.